Hey, have you ever thought about how many people earn an income online? Well, this is what I found out. So watch the video to learn how. You know, you spend your whole life working hard, showing up, doing the right thing. For me, it was over 40 years of turning wrenches as a mechanic. And after all those years, when I finally got close to retirement, I realized I didn't have enough savings to actually retire. Well, that's not how it was supposed to be, was it? And then, man, life threw me a curveball. I had a minor stroke. It woke me up real fast. I knew right then that I had to find another way to earn an income from home. Because grinding it out, trading my time for money, that road wasn't going to get me where I wanted to go. Well, that's when I started looking for something different. I ended up finding a group of people who had learned how to create online income streams. Well, so they gave me free access to a 4-part video series. And let me tell you, it opened up my eyes to what's really possible. So for the first time in a long time, I started believing again. Believing in the life I had always dreamed about having. Traveling whenever I wanted to and wherever I wanted to go. Spoiling the grandkids, hitting the open road with a 5th-wheel trailer behind me. Laughing around campfires, making memories, living without stress. So I realized if I wanted that life, real freedom, I needed to build something that gave me leverage. Something that could create an income without clocking in and out every day. That's what these videos started to show me. How everyday people, just like you and me, were learning real skills to generate online income streams. Now, I'm not promising anything. It takes some effort, and everybody's different. But watching those videos, that was one of the best decisions I ever made. So here's what you do. Click the Learn More button, enter your info, and I'll send you the first video straight to your inbox. It's a smart move. Just watch the videos, even if it's out of pure curiosity. Worst case, you learn something new. The best case, it opens the door to a whole new world, and I'm going to see you on the other side.